Since we talked last, it's rained every day right up until Friday, so wasn't able to do a whole lot outside. Inspired by nature, that's been my life. It's frosty, but still warm from my snowboard out on the trail snowshoeing. Everything's good. Got my snowshoe in, did my game cam card swap. Now, see what else happens. Hey everyone, thank you to all my new subscribers and all my faithful subscribers. I really appreciate having you here. It's taken my channel forever to grow because I've followed my own heart, done my own thing, stayed true to myself, had fun along the way, mainly stuck to nature and living off grid. That's what inspires me. Inspired by nature since ever I can remember. Hope y'all staying warm. It's a frosty, beautiful day. I'm so thankful to be alive, to experience this day. Every day awake is a gift from God, and I appreciate every little thing about it. It's so peaceful today. The only thing you can hear right now is my honey brown sugar sausages sizzling. I'm out on the trails, snowshoeing, enjoying the beautiful calm. Listen to the quietness. I'm enjoying every moment of it. I want to thank all my subscribers. I'm such a small channel and it took me so long to get here. But that means that everyone is faithful, supportive, and so wonderful, and developed a good relationship with many of you with like interests. So thank you for that. It's almost eerie because I know there has to be some snow coming. It's just beautifully warm and cozy here in my snowfort. Beautiful day. Thankful for this day and every day. I would have it in warm brew. Even a leaf that spent all its colors this fall. It's so gorgeous now as it lays in the snow. The only thing you can hear is my honey brown sausages sizzling. Nature. Ever since I can remember, as soon as I could walk, I was out in the bush with my father. It's a place I come for solitude. have the old familiar squirrel running through. Nice hot tea while waiting. Everything looks so beautiful when it snows. Delish. Delish. While I'm chowing down by the fire, let's see what other things we saw. Here's a good route material. The reason why you're going under a brush pile here. It's not uncommon in the forest to see woodpeckers.